Alright, let's keep moving. Let's get the hip placed here, or roughed in. So I'm going to bring in my map for the hip. I'm going to go to Texture Map, click the large thumbnail, and I've imported all of the ones that I've created. We're going to bring in the hip structure, all outlined for me. Press Control, select Mask Rectangle, make sure Symmetry is on and Transparency is on. Okay, let's see what it looks like. So we're getting there. Let's take a look at the top view. Okay, transparency is off. Drop out a shadow box. And we have the beginning of our pelvis. Now a couple of things we can do real quick. Trim dynamic. And keep in mind, this is the anterior superior iliac crest. This is our pubic bone. This is where our great trochanter is inserting. These are called the ischiums. Along the top here, from the anterior superior iliac spine, is the ilium, which is inserting into the sacrum and the coccyx. This shape in this bowl area here is what I want to kind of take care of first. So I'm going to press Trim Dynamic brush and just carve a bowl in. Being careful to leave the anterior superior iliac spine alone, pubic bone alone, sacrum, and all along here. Just create a little bowl in there. You can also start to carve that in a little bit. Alright, now there's a lot more we can do to the pelvis to make it a little bit more succinct, but it's not necessary. I am going to make sure that the sacrum has a nice place to rest the vertebrae. And I also want to make sure that this high point is towards the outside. So use the move brush and then use Trim Dynamic to just adjust to that curve. Okay, so we can leave it at that. Save this as our pelvis and move on to the other parts that we need to be sculpting.